Welcome to Oracle Developer Trust tutorial. Today I will discuss a swap space problem which may occur during the time of Oracle installation. First, see the problem. This is the Oracle installation folder. Double click the setup.exe. Now see the problem. Checking swap space. 400 MB available. 1535 MB required. That's why the installation failed. The installation will not proceed here. Now I will show you the solution of this problem. The solution is we need to change the swap space. We need to set the swap space more than 100, 500, 35 MB. To do this, we need to go to the My Computer, then right click and go to the properties, and then go to this advanced system settings. Then in the advanced tab, we need to press the settings button in the performance, then go to the advanced tab, and here we need to change the virtual memory space. Then in the custom size is set 2000 MB for initial size and also 2000 MB for maximum size. Then press the set button and then press the OK button and OK. Now we will start the installation again. Yes, this time the problem is not arised and it will proceed the installation without any error. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel.